This is going to be my first studio vlog of sorts. I haven't done a video like this before, so bear with me while I try to figure things out. But today I thought I might show you how I run my Etsy store. So I had an order that came in for 2 of the cat pins that I made in my previous video, and this is just me taking them out and packaging them to get them shipped. It has been a while since I've done an official shop update, so it was really refreshing to get to do this again. So when I ordered these backing cards, I didn't think about the dimensions that they'd come in, and once they arrived I realized they were a bit too big for the plastic bags that I had, so every time I package my products I have to cut them into shape and then round the corners off with the corner cutter. Once I'd sent off the order, I came back home and decided to continue on a drawing I was working on. I recently bought this iPad and I've really been enjoying using Procreate. I feel it's made my workflow a lot easier and it's given me the motivation to draw again. There isn't much else to say, so I hope you enjoy these clips of me going through my drawing process. And then cover your hand. I covered a bit in flour. And use the cup to roll it, and then you make the edges thinner than the middle. That way, when you like fold the dumpling pieces together, that bit where it's all just flour is not like. Yeah, it's like when we make mandu, it's the same.
Should I just chuck this one out?
Yeah. Gosh. It's okay. I keep adding way too much as well. So it had been 2 days since I last recorded. I have a part-time job which leaves gaps between when I work on my art. It does slow down my productivity for sure, but I just try to make the most out of the time that I have. What you see right now is me working on a wrapping paper design that I'm planning to get printed so that I can use them for my packaging. Once I was happy with my design, I exported the file onto my laptop so that I could vectorize it on Illustrator. Vectorizing helps with the quality of the print, and generally it helps a lot with printing services as well. Illustrator is still unfamiliar ground to me, so half the time I'm watching tutorials and playing around with the tools until I'm happy with the way the vectorized image looks.
my
Once I was happy with everything, I exported then uploaded the design to their website and used the tools that they had to change the color and layout of the print. I realized here that my design wasn't in the right dimensions for the template, so I had to go back and fiddle around with it quite a bit until I could get it right. And this is the final product. So this is the end of my first studio vlog. I'm not sure if it was quite a studio vlog, but I still hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you around later. Bye!